Hey y'all, thank y'all so much for tuning in and welcome to my channel. Today I am going to be shampooing these 10-month locks. Y'all see I am looking dusty over here. I will not be doing a retwist today, but I do want to shampoo my hair. So the shampoo that I'm going to be using today is this My Loc Rosemary Mint, and it's a strengthening shampoo. I do not like mint flavors, smells. I'm just going to be honest with you. I'm not a fan. Never have been a fan, but this one right here, it stuck out to me because it says that it is infused with biotin and it encourages growth. So this is what I'm going to be trying. The first 10 months of my loc journey, I used the Shea Moisture Shampoo. You can check out any of my other loc videos up until this point. If I've shampooed my hair, you'll see the product. I just think that it's time for me to try something else. I planned on using the Design Essentials Avocado Moisturizer line because I did enjoy that product as a loose natural. But like I said, I saw this product, it stuck out to me. And so this is what we're gonna go with. As far as shampooing, London, my 7-year-old, she just hit her 5-month mark. I'm going to be shampooing and retwisting her hair today. So look for another video featuring London with her 5-month loc update with her shampoo and retwist. We're both going to start with this product, so you will see this in her new video as well. The next product that I picked up, I picked this My Loc leave-in conditioner. It is the pomegranate and honey line. The consistency is much thicker than I thought. I picked this up on a Walmart order, my grocery delivery. I was telling you guys previously, I have to start putting a conditioner in some kind of way. Never planned on putting something really thick into my hair. So while this smells really yummy, smells really good, I'm not gonna use this product.
I'm actually going to use this product on a later date.
The leave-in that I'm gonna be using, I picked this up from Target. I ran in there looking for something else. I'm not for sure on how to say the name of the product, but the name of this is Lemongrass Leave-In Conditioner, and it is by Real K Naturals. This stuck out to me because I did see this lovely young lady right here. Lemongrass smells so yummy, y'all. I don't know if you've ever smelled lemongrass. I love lemon, but the lemongrass, it takes it to another level. It says that this is a leave-in conditioner for kinky, curly, wavy, straight, and locks. They have no mineral oil, petroleum, or silicone. The first ingredient is water. Next is the aloe vera juice. You know, I always check out the first couple of ingredients to see if I'm gonna like it. The only thing I'm a little worried about is the fact that it is yellow. These are the two products your girl is gonna be using. We're gonna go on ahead and get started because you know I will talk y'all to death. I'll show you a really quick turnaround. Just show y'all they're really dry, but guess what, guys? I can feel some changes. There are some changes, baby, going on. It's so dry. Now you guys see why I gotta try something with some conditioner. I haven't been doing what I need to do. I've basically been just leaving it alone, trying to let it do its thing. So we're gonna try this leave-in conditioner today and this new shampoo. So let's do this. 10 months, baby. 10 months, lock up. Okay, so like I said, I definitely smell the rosemary. I definitely smell the mint. But it is infused with biotin and it encourages growth. So that's what we're aiming for. You see that at the bottom? I don't like mint, but I'm pretty sure this is gonna feel really good on the scalp. Ooh, tell me, I ain't need this. It feels so good. I'm so dry. I need my butt more.
And as a disclaimer, I just want to let y'all know I usually do spray my hair with my water and oil my scalp about 3 to 4 times a week, but I spray it with water daily. I've just been really lazy, kind of trying to get in the rhythm of this virtual school thing. So just keep that in mind. This is the roughest my hair has looked, but I did need something extra.
Oh, let me take my rings off in the garbage disposal. There's so much. I don't know if y'all can see that. Y'all saw how many pumps I did. Oh, oh no, they expensive bags and sales in the container. Some smell sweet. The rosemary and the mint not supposed to be sweet. What I smell? Oh, it feels so freaking good. I hope y'all can see. I noticed that I had to build up. I don't want to do the ACV rinse just yet. Although I am at 10 months, I want to just try to see if I can just get the buildup out. Because it wasn't much, but it was enough for me to notice on my footage. So just gonna see if I can get rid of it, you know, with just the shampoo. But apparently the drink in the line is causing the buildup. I want all of my hair shampooed because, like I said, that product build up. We can't do that. So, usually I focus on my roots. Not today. Went ahead and get some hot water as hot as I can get all the shampoo out. Can't forget about the nape of the neck. That is my most forgot about spot. For some reason. I think it's because for years my hair was short and I always had that tapered down or cut down really low. I never really had the tan to the back of my hair. I think that's why. So it seems like all of the shampoo is out. Let me just make sure. Let me do the lighting like this, just so we can see a little better, okay? Just in case it was too bright. Making sure the water was clear, no soap bubbles. So pretty much done with my hair as far as the shampoo. So now we are gonna go do this moment of truth that we have been waiting for. It's conditioner on my hair. So we're gonna shake this up. Remember, we are using the Real K Naturals. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. Let me know if y'all have used this before. I've never used conditioner on my locks. I wanna go on ahead and I'm doing it now. We're starting with the leave-in, you know, just to see if that helps. My hair is missing something. I don't know exactly what. So since most of my hair is locked, I'm gonna assume this is what I'm missing. I'm not retwisting today, although I do need to, based off of the new growth. But that's just not happening today. What I am going to do is get this leave-in all throughout my locks. You guys know that I always oil my scalp, so we're still gonna do that. Oh, that feels so good. Y'all, my hair needed that. All right. This is just a shampoo video. Now, I am going to, these on the sides that need some assistance, I am going to assist these just a little. Edges, you know, are growing, so that shampoo is gonna pop the new growth on out. So, and it's only just these right here. All right. Black Jamaican castor oil. I like to massage that around my edges.
Okay, guys, we're going to go on ahead and end this. If you made it this far, please give me a thumbs up. If you're new, link with me, ring that bell, let me know in the comments. I'll return the love. I'd like to thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.